Cultivator. Cultivator is a primary tillage implement used to prepare soil for planting crops. It typically consists of tines that break up soil, removing weeds and loosening the ground to create a suitable seedbed. The main function of the field cultivator is to prepare a proper seedbed for the crop to be planted into to bury crop residue in the soil. Cultivator installation. To install the cultivator at customer end, we need to perform below major tasks. Complete implement assembly. Implement attachment with tractor. Settings and adjustments. Field operation. Inspection and maintenance. In this video, we will understand how to assemble cultivator. There are 6 numbers loose parts come with cultivator. To assemble the cultivator completely, we need to assemble all these parts correctly. Flip the main frame and attach the rear side tyne assembly. Tight the nuts and bolts with 22 mm spanner. Taut it in 135 Nm. Attach the front side tyne assembly. Tight the nuts and bolts with 22 mm spanner. Taut it in 135 Nm. Turn the main frame and attach the right side top mast and tight it by using 26 mm spanner. Taut it in 290 Nm. Attach the front hitch with left and right side top mast with the help of nut. Attach the rear and front top mast in below order. Left front top mast, then left rear top mast, then spacer, then right rear top mast, then right front top mast. Tight it with 24 mm spanner. Taut it in 210 Nm. Tight the rear arms of top masts with 26 mm spanner. Taut it in 290 Nm. Tight the front arms of top mast with 38 mm spanner. Taut it in 710 Nm. We hope this information will be useful for you. To get more information or for service support, contact your nearest Mahindra dealership. Our Mahindra officials are always ready to provide you service support. For information about other problems, you can watch our other videos. To watch more DIY videos, kindly subscribe our Mahindra Farm Machinery YouTube channel.